I'll be showing you how to find your missing Oraimo FreePods 4. So let's say you've misplaced them somewhere, but still within Bluetooth range. So you can actually find them by using the Find My Device feature. So just go to your phone, and assuming these are already paired, just go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Connections, and then go to Bluetooth. You're basically going to the Bluetooth settings page. Now here, you should see your Oraimo FreePods. Just tap on the settings icon next to open the connection page, and then you should see Find Device. So tap on that, and then depending on which particular FreePod you're looking for, maybe you've lost the right one or the left one, you can just tap, for instance, the left one, just tap on that, and it's going to make that sound until you find it, and then you can tap on mute. If you're looking for the right one, tap on right, and the right one is going to make a sound, and that should help you find your missing FreePods. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.